Let's face it, that morning coffee or afternoon latte might seem insignificant, but those little purchases add up. Micro-investing apps like Raiz promise to take that chump change and turn it into long-term wealth. But how much money are we actually talking about? And more importantly, is Raiz managing millions, or just a mountain of misplaced pennies? The rise of the micro-investor. Micro-investing has exploded in popularity in recent years. Apps like Raiz make investing accessible, allowing users to invest their spare change automatically through roundups. Imagine buying a $4.50 coffee, but your app rounds it up to $5 and invests the difference. These tiny amounts may seem inconsequential, but over time, with the power of compound interest, they can snowball into a significant sum. But Raiz isn't just about spare change. Users can also set up recurring investments, deposit lump sums, and even reinvest their dividends. This flexibility caters to a wider range of investors, from complete beginners dipping their toes in the water to more seasoned savers looking to boost their portfolio. So, how big is Raiz piggy bank? Here's the exciting part. In November 2022, Raiz proudly announced they surpassed a major milestone, managing over $1 billion in funds under management, FUM. That's a billion with a B. This impressive figure represents the combined total of all the money their users have invested through the platform. Let's break that down further. Raiz boasts some impressive user stats. Over 600,000 accounts, including superannuation. More than 280,000 active users. This tells us that Raiz isn't just a niche service for a small group. They've tapped into a significant market of everyday individuals looking to build their financial future, one micro-investment at a time. Where does the money go? Raiz doesn't hold onto your cash like a digital Scrooge McDuck. They invest your money in a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are essentially baskets of stocks that track a particular market sector or index. By diversifying across various ETFs, Raiz aims to spread out the risk for their users. This means that if one stock or sector performs poorly, it's less likely to significantly impact your overall investment. Is $1 billion all there is to it? While the $1 billion FUM is a fantastic achievement, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some other interesting facts about Raiz. They're not just in Australia. Raiz has expanded into Indonesia and Malaysia, reaching a wider audience and promoting financial inclusion globally. They're committed to responsible investing. Raiz offers a range of socially responsible investment options, allowing users to align their investments with their values. They're all about making it easy. The user-friendly app interface and automated features make investing a breeze, even for complete beginners. The final takeaway: small change, big impact. Raiz's success story is a testament to the power of micro-investing. By making investing accessible and removing the intimidation factor, they're empowering everyday people to take control of their financial future. Remember, even the smallest investments can grow into something significant, thanks to the magic of compound interest. So, the next time you reach for your morning coffee, consider putting that spare change to work. With apps like Raiz, building wealth is no longer a dream reserved for the wealthy elite, it's within reach for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.